Master the kitchen, the art of using a rubber spatula. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very specific, yet widely used phrase in the culinary world. Use a rubber spatula. Whether you're whipping up a storm in the kitchen or just curious about English culinary terms, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase and learn how it can be a game changer in cooking and baking. A rubber spatula is a versatile kitchen tool with a long handle and a flexible, rubbery head. It's designed to scrape food from bowls without scratching surfaces, mix ingredients gently, and spread mixtures evenly. Unlike metal or wooden spatulas, the rubber material is gentle on all types of cookware, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Why exactly should you use a rubber spatula? This tool is essential for several reasons. Efficiency. It effectively scrapes every last bit of batter or food from a bowl, reducing waste. Safety. The rubber material won't scratch your bowls or pans, preserving their lifespan. Versatility. It's ideal for a variety of tasks, from mixing batter to folding in delicate ingredients like whipped cream or egg whites, ensuring they're incorporated gently without deflating the mixture. To get the most out of your rubber spatula, consider these tips. Choose the right size. Spatulas come in various sizes. Use a small one for jars and a larger one for mixing bowls. Clean thoroughly. Ensure it's cleaned well after each use to prevent cross-contamination and maintain its condition. Use gently. While the spatula is flexible, using it with care will help maintain its shape and effectiveness over time. Even with simple tools, mistakes can happen. Here are a few to avoid. Using with high heat. Rubber spatulas can melt or become damaged if exposed to very high temperatures. Be cautious around hot surfaces. Not using when needed. Sometimes we forget about this handy tool and opt for something less appropriate, which can lead to wasted ingredients or damaged cookware. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, use a rubber spatula, and encouraged you to make the most of this indispensable kitchen tool. Remember, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, mastering the use of simple tools like the rubber spatula can elevate your cooking and baking to new heights. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!